netie gikeno giake agicokereria kuma bururi-ini wa Egypt kuria arakire ni thutha wa bururi na thutha wa Afrika ya irathiro gukorwo ikiheo kanya ga gukorwo ikinyitwo ugeni abitika cia gitaro kia Afrika nicio cia Afcon mwaka wa 2027 o ni thutha wa mabururi matatu arimo Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya gukorwo magikia ritana ria gukunyita ugeni bitika ici kana ria kunyita mbaru bitika ici cia Afcon na kuria maikorwo kiheo rutha gukorwo magithina mbere kuramata iharo ciao niguo mehaririria uhoro wigi Afcon 2027.
All sports will benefit. Every single element of sports will benefit. For instance, our new Talanta Stadium, our planned Talanta Stadium at Jamhuri is going to be Kenya's first ever. And if I'm not wrong, it may end up being East Africa's first ever football-only customized stadium. And it's a stadium that will be customized to host football and rugby. So football will benefit immensely by having a customized football stadium without a racing track. So the atmosphere inside there is going to be incredible. It's going to be an amazing arena for football and rugby.
You have to remember that this was a secret ballot vote and we were competing against very tough opponents. I am glad that finally we have this. We have 4 years to go. And I said we will do this. I know many people, like the president said, didn't believe. Now the work begins, so thank you to everybody. Thank you to my colleagues that supported us. Thank you to Uganda and Tanzania on football, but most importantly, thank you for the investment and commitment that the government has made. Let's go do the job. Thank you.